Have you ever stood quietly in front of the mirror and sensed that something had changed? Not dramatically, not overnight, but subtly enough to make you pause? Maybe it showed up as less fullness, slower response, or a feeling that something which once worked effortlessly now required concentration, timing, or luck. For many men, this realization doesn't arrive with panic. It arrives with resignation. A quiet, dangerous thought slips in. This is just aging. This is what happens after 60. I guess this part of life is over. That belief stops more men than biology ever does. And in many cases, it is simply not true. What if the issue you're experiencing has far less to do with loss and far more to do with restriction? What if the most powerful tool for restoring blood flow, responsiveness, and vascular flexibility has nothing to do with pills, injections, or expensive supplements wrapped in marketing hype? What if it's already in your kitchen, likely sitting right next to your flour? I'm talking about sodium bicarbonate, plain baking soda. Now, I know exactly what you're thinking. Doctor, how could something I use for baking possibly affect performance? Stay with me. In today's video, I'm going to explain 5 clinically grounded, often overlooked ways bicarbonate supports vascular health and what happens to size, responsiveness, confidence, and reliability when circulation is no longer restricted. If you're in your 60s, 70s, or beyond and feel like your edge is slipping, you are not alone, but you are not broken. In many cases, what looks like decline is actually reduced blood flow. Think of it as rust in the pipes, not damage to the system itself. Before we go further, take a moment and tell me in the comments where you're watching from. Men from all over the world are part of this conversation, and that community matters more than most realise. And if you believe men deserve shame-free, evidence-based health information, hit the like button now. It helps this reach men who are struggling silently and think they're the only ones. My name is Dr. Aletha. I'm a board-certified urologist with over a decade of clinical experience, and my work is focused almost entirely on helping men over 50 protect their prostate health, sexual wellness, and long-term vitality. Everything discussed here is educational and designed to support, not replace care from your personal physician. Let's confront a damaging myth head-on. There's a widespread belief that after 65, the male body naturally shrinks, weakens, and shuts down, and that nothing can be done about it. That belief is deeply ingrained, but it is not biologically accurate. In many men, what appears to be permanent loss is actually vascular restriction. Picture your arteries like garden hoses. Over decades, inflammation, oxidative stress, and acidity stiffen the walls, creating kinks. Pressure drops, flow weakens, responsiveness fades, tissue appears smaller and less firm, but the hose itself hasn't vanished. It needs clearing, not replacing. That's why my approach is not about miracle cures or false promises. It's about optimizing your internal environment so your body and any prescribed medications can work as intended. This is where bicarbonate enters the picture. Your skin is not a solid barrier. It's semi-permeable. When tissue becomes congested with metabolic waste and localized acidity, elasticity suffers and blood vessels struggle to expand. A localized alkaline soak uses osmotic pressure to rebalance tissue pH. As inflammation eases, microvasculature opens, elasticity improves, and blood volume increases naturally. It's like removing a tight rubber band from a sponge. Suddenly, it can absorb again. 2 tablespoons of aluminum-free baking soda in warm water. Soak for 10 to 15 minutes, 2 to 3 times per week. Avoid broken skin or active infections. Rinse well and moisturise afterward if needed. Many men report not just physical changes but psychological relief. When tissue responds again, confidence returns quietly without effort. As we age, kidney efficiency declines, contributing to low-grade metabolic acidosis. This condition is linked to muscle fatigue, stiffness, and vascular constriction. Acidic blood tightens vessels. Bicarbonate acts as a buffer, gently shifting internal pH toward balance and signalling smooth muscle to relax. Relaxed vessels mean better volume, faster response, and less resistance. Half a teaspoon of baking soda in 8 ounces of water taken in the morning on an empty stomach. The salty taste is normal. Lemon can improve palatability. If you have high blood pressure or are sodium restricted, consult your doctor first. Many men describe this change as feeling fluid again, like releasing a parking brake they didn't realise was engaged. Now let's address something critical. Many men do the right things and still don't see results. Supplements, nitric oxide boosters, beet powders, L-arginine, L-citrulline, even prescriptions, yet results remain inconsistent. That doesn't mean those tools don't work. It means they need the right internal environment. Nitric oxide is the master signal for vascular dilation, but it's fragile. In an acidic, inflamed bloodstream, it breaks down rapidly, like striking a match in heavy wind. Bicarbonate doesn't create nitric oxide. It protects it. By buffering acidity and reducing oxidative stress, nitric oxide remains active longer, leading to sustained dilation rather than brief spikes. Take bicarbonate 20 to 30 minutes before nitric oxide boosting foods or supplements. Think of it as preparing the stage so the performance can actually happen. There's another process rarely discussed: inflammaging, chronic low-grade inflammation that builds quietly over decades. It doesn't cause sharp pain. It causes stiffness, fibrosis, and loss of elasticity. Even with good blood flow, fibrotic tissue can't expand properly. Bicarbonate has been shown to reduce inflammatory markers like C-reactive protein. As inflammation drops, tissue elasticity improves and comfort returns. A pulse approach works best. 1/4 teaspoon daily, 5 days on, 2 days off. One of the most balanced combinations is bicarbonate with lemon. 8 ounces of filtered water, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, juice of 1/2 to 1 lemon. Drink 20 minutes before breakfast. Potassium balances sodium, citrate enhances alkalinity, bicarbonate buffers acidity. Men often report improved morning responsiveness and consistency. For the first 14 days, focus only on internal chemistry. The morning drink, nothing else. From days 15 to 30, continue the drink and add the soak twice per week. If you do nothing else, keep the morning routine. Internal pH is the most powerful lever for vascular health. You won't wake up tomorrow with the body of a 22-year-old, and chasing that fantasy only leads to frustration. What most men experience instead is warmth, fullness, improved morning response, reduced anxiety, and reliability. That's success. This isn't about fantasy, it's about function, confidence, and dignity. Leave a comment and tell me which step you're starting with. Like this video so it reaches men who need it. Subscribe for weekly evidence-based strategies and share this with one man who needs it but won't ask. Aging does not mean surrender. I'm Dr. Aletha, and remember this: vitality is a practice, not a destination.